Funny Wizard. Before we get started on the comedy and the facts today, oh, sorry. So let me pull up the thing. Oh, I'm happy to report that I have 20 subscribers and 1,743 views. I'm glad to hear it, folks. I'm proud. I'm very happy. So before we get started on the comedy and the facts today, as always, I'm gonna make my first offer. I'm gonna make my first offer for my channel. I promise that if I get 1,800 views by the end of the week on that's by Sunday, which is the end of the week, I will do something very special next week. Sometime next week. I will do a very special marathon. Remember, marathons are all comedy, folks. Anyway, enough about that. Remember, I don't want to keep you waiting. Okay, I'm afraid it'll close down on me. Just a sec. I'll be right back with either a reload or maybe a few facts. Well, okay. 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 Oh, sorry. If my audio's a little down, it's okay. It's just a little thing that's going on. Anyway, I've come back with some bird facts. Okay. This is part of the teleporting warm-up, folks. Okay. Okay. First, birds have feathers, wings, lay eggs. Warm-blooded. By the way, I got this from Kittle. That's the source. Another fact. Oh yeah. There are around 10,000 different species of birds. Some birds are smart enough to create tools. Finally, birds have hollow bones. That helps them fly. Now I've covered my facts. Now for the comedy. Well, Well, anyway, before I'm gonna bring a star. I think I'm gonna bring a star guest. He'll be in just a little bit. He's doing a bit of work. So, anyway, just wanted to make a reminder. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends. You can put a comment. Put a comment in my chat. I'd love to hear your ideas. Sometimes the chat doesn't. You have to go and I think you have to be signed in to do a comment. Otherwise, it won't really work. Anyway, while we wait, I'll tell you a bit. I'm very happy I'm doing these videos. I've done one about making a chair teleport. I've teleported myself. It's called Watch Me Teleport. Teleporting chair. Gravity Falls summary video. That's a summary of it's a summary of a book that you can get from Gravity Falls. There's cleaning up a mess, falling off a chair marathon. That's one of my favorites. The run, the teleport, the comedy, and the Jenga tower. That's a good one. And that's all the ones I have listed right here. I have so many more. If you're watching this video right now and you just discovered my channel, please watch them all. Watch them all. Just type up Funny Wizard videos on YouTube.com. Anyway, I hope you have a stellar day and an amazing day. I think I'm gonna be right back with the star guest in just a moment. Okay, wait for me, folks. Just a sec. I'll need the room clear, so sorry, chair. I'm not making it disappear. I'm just gonna move it somewhere else. But anyway. Okay. Wait. Now to get to the star guest. I'll be right back, folks. Folks, I gotta wait a bit more. My brother's still at work, so I gotta do something. I'm gonna do a bit of comedy without him, and then I'll go back with him with the comedy and finish it. Anyway, now for the comedy. Banana. Well, I feel the other planes. I'm thinking he's about to appear on the plane of where the cameras can see him. Well, okay, I think he's about to come. Okay. I know you there. You're there. Oh, anyway, okay. Now. Okay, after the more comedy, spinning the chair, spinning. Ah! What happened is not important. What's important is to make you laugh. Proper thing that I was gonna do. I accidentally fell off the chair because I wasn't holding on tight enough. I feel this thing. It's spinning. I'm about to fall off again. Okay, and I'm on 2 planes at once. Okay. Now to do, I'm gonna drop this multiple times. Observe. The Starguest can win. Anyway, I guess, now, anyway, look at this clip thing. No one is ever gonna clip it. Anyway, now to do my pose. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm about to lose connection. No. I'm gonna lose connection. It's gonna play the card. Guys, don't look. Guys, don't look. And of how to elaborately make a sock puppet. And to bring it to life. Just a sec. Right, sock puppet? Yeah. Hey, can I do something? No. Oh no! Get out! Oh! I can't believe you watched my clip, and this time I was the cause of it. Oh, it looks like we did a longer clip than usual. Well, beating my record is part of it. Sorry about how it was long. Anyway, here's the real thing. I disassembled its live performance. I'm still alive. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the part where it, you were told, I was calm. You were flipping out, dude. He's just saying that. Cut it. That's it. Okay, dude. Turn off the camera. Okay. Well, I gotta leave now. But remember, just a second. Anyway, well, I gotta leave now. Remember, I'll be back.